Sample Probe Kit GESPASA. How can you take a sample from a specific point in your tank? The sample taking probe will allow you to obtain a sample of fuel from the exact point of the deposit you select. To perform a fuel analysis, you must take a sample of the fluid located at the bottom of the tank, just above the sludge and water. This area is called the degradation zone. Bacteria begin to grow in the degradation zone, and it's the area in which the fuel begins to deteriorate its properties. To obtain a sample, you must first know the water level in the tank. To determine the water level, connect the level indicator rod to the probe. Anoint it with paste for the water and submerge it to the bottom of the tank. Once you know the water level, select the appropriate extension rod to take the fuel sample. Submerge the probe into the tank until it touches the bottom. Then wait 5 seconds and withdraw it. Empty the probe into a suitable container by opening the valve to obtain the sample. You can purchase the probe with or without a cable reel. Check out our website www.gespasa.es for more information.